Hello guys, I just wanted to show you this beautiful light fixture that I just put in my daughter's room. I got this from Amazon and I put the link in the description. It's actually a fan too. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a fan and the light comes with the remote control. And it comes in different colors. I don't know if you can really tell that on the video. But we love it. It is so beautiful. And the little fan blades that you can see right there, when they're on, you can feel the air directly beneath you. So it's multifunctional and it's beautiful.